Before new bearings are installed, it is very important to determine the condition of the shaft. If the surface is worn or grooved, then it will have to be machined or renewed. Measurements have to be taken to ensure that the shaft is neither worn out of round or tapered. The bearing cap and upper journal support must be thoroughly cleaned and be free of any burrs or high spots. New shells should be degreased with a suitable solvent and wiped with a very clean, non-fluffy cloth. Do not use cotton waste. Lay the shells onto a clean piece of paper next to the work. Extreme care must be exercised to avoid scratching or gouging the bearing surfaces. Carefully insert each shell into their positions, making sure that the locking lips engage the slots. Press the shell into position by hand only. Never hammer a shell into position. Ensure that any oil holes are properly aligned once the shells are positioned. Standard practice at this stage is to assemble the bearing off the shaft in order to measure and calculate running clearances. This is done with an inside micrometer when the caps have been installed minus the shaft. However, the micrometer measuring procedure for checking clearance is outside the scope of this program. Instead, you will learn how to check clearances using the plastic strip process after the break.